two men dug up Charlie Chaplin's coffin and tried to sell it back to his family. Chaplin had been buried for just 3 months, a quiet grave in a small Swiss village called Corsier-sur-Vevey. Then, in March 1978, his widow Ona got a phone call. Two men were demanding 600,000 Swiss francs to return the body. She refused. She reportedly said Charlie would have found the whole thing ridiculous. That composure changed everything. Instead of panicking, Ona worked with Swiss police. Officers set up a months-long phone surveillance operation, monitoring calls across the region. The two men, a Polish mechanic and a Bulgarian garage worker, kept calling. That was their mistake. Police traced them through a monitored phone booth and moved in. The coffin was found buried in a field near Lausanne, just a few miles from where it had been stolen. The men were convicted and sentenced to prison. But the real story is Una, grieving, raising 10 children, and refusing to let two desperate men touch her husband's legacy. She won.